Regards tutor, I am Wilson. In this video, we'll talk about the importance of the using technology in the teaching and learning in English language. The use of technology to teach and language is very important because it helps students to understand the topics more quickly, so they can progress more quickly in their learning. Another advance of using digital tools is that a student can practice in different skills, such as listen, for example, reading, writing, and speaking in a more didactic way. For example, they can watch videos, listen to podcasts, or reading audiobooks. We can also the application on the games to study session of the homework is good alternative to take and reinforcing the teaching of the language at home and establish a routine for little ones. In this way, they will see learning English at much more dynamic and the fun tasks. I want to thank the coordinator of the delay strategy, Lina Moreno. Thank you for you help me, who helped me win the difficulties I had in the process for my student assignment by the delay strategy. My tutor Diana Marcela for her support in this process, in this course, and in my classmate who is moment of the difficult help me to the achieve the objects in this important reason. Thank you for your attention. Bless you for all. Bye bye.